Hey everyone, this is Gavin Anthony, and maybe you're probably looking to supplement your current income, just wanting to make some more money. I know that was me. Well, this particular opportunity probably could be for you because what's great about it, you can do it from the comfort of your home or anywhere essentially with an internet connection. This is the beauty of it. Of course, working from home, you got to be disciplined and, you know, trying to stay away from those distractions of the house. Um, and it's up to you how much time you want to invest in it. As long as you have about, they like to say 23 minutes in a day, you could get some consistent income. I personally would spend a little more time than that because the more time you put in, the more you get out, and the faster you can get to that consistent income. So, what is this 5 minute profit site? Well, essentially, it's a software. It's a proprietary software that develops websites in under 5 minutes, um, and it does exactly what it says. It's a combination of software and training. The software works by building you a high converting website that attracts people through the Google marketing machine. And then there's a nice training area, excuse me, in the members area that teaches you how to monetize the website. Um, and the websites are really good quality and are among the best. They're pre-built websites with a lot of content. They have articles, they have reviews, they have videos, um, all relating to really e-business, the e-business niche. So if this is something that you're interested in, you're looking at doing affiliate marketing, this is a good tool to kind of get you going. Also, the websites they're proven to convert good traffic into money. I wouldn't expect to be making money, after a day or two. You're going to need a good 1, 2, 3 months, maybe longer. But if you consistently work at it and do it every day, their traffic methods that are very simple, even for beginners, can generate some results pretty quickly. You generate affiliate links through your website at a click of a button. And then in the members area, there's a place that's easy to navigate, and there's dedicated support team, live chat, phone, email, um, that I think is really great. It'll help you. So if you're a beginner with really no experience looking how to get started and don't know where to start, this is a great place to start. Um, and they have ongoing webinars for their members and some good training videos in the back. So um, you will learn how to not only get your website going but bring in more traffic to your website. So if I was you, I would give it a try. Now, obviously, you can't get anything for free. Sometimes the more you put in, the more you get out, and the same thing is with money. And I think this is a pretty good bargain. So, if you're interested, go ahead and click the link in the description, and it'll take you to a page with more information and where you could go ahead and give it a try. All right, wishing you the best of luck and to your success. Take care.